Guys, that modem did not work. All right, we have to return the modem. Guys, so I have to return my MSI because the keyboard is not lighting up, so it's getting a recycle mode right now. It's on a recycle mode right now, as you guys see. Take a look right here. Where are you? Oops. Okay, finito. Nice. What is this? Jeez, I gotta wipe this off. Yeah, so recycle mode has been done. Put this in the box right there. Where's the receipt? There's a receipt over here with this, and that's just goodbye, you know. Actually, no, receipt is right there. Yeah, so that's it. As you guys see, we're gonna be doing a little wet, you know, like a little wet wipe over here. Let's see what's going on. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. Bingo. Alright, now as you guys see over here, there's some like this, like I don't know what is there, but like you see, this is not gonna be okay if we do that. Yes. Alright, I just got my bagels over here and I got my coffee. But yeah, what I was saying is, as you guys see right here, we got a little dirt. So you take this and you wipe it off like that. That's the only one way we can like clean it off a little bit, and that's it. We clean this off. Boom, 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 boom. That's it. Now by that time it should be getting dry, so that's it. Now you do this, you take care of that. As you guys see, everything's working fine, looking nice, brand new, ready to go. That's it, guys. Brand new, amazing. Alright, this I think we should be fine right now, so we don't care. Alright, that's it. Goodbye. Okay. Guys, 1,100. We're gonna do I'm gonna try to get rid of this and try to get a new one for same price, 1,100, just for 1060 or 1080 Ti versus 20 something RTX GPU. That's all we're gonna do. That's it, just for that, and maybe a little bit of brand. Maybe it's HP versus MSI difference, and that's the big jump we're gonna do. That's this. It's gonna give you a little bit more smooth performance and all that. Oh boy, we got a lot of crap here. Okay, we got this, that. Let's pack this up. We're gonna have the MSI right here. We're gonna go inside this socks. That's for inside the laptop most likely. Okay, don't make any damage. Okay, you're in. Put this inside like that. Not like that. This one goes right here. Awesome. Look at that logo they got. They got all these hazards over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. PP5, PP7. What is this? O5, PP. What is this? Japanese, PP Chinese. All right. Close this. Protect it. Okay. Now, second layer of protection. So we got that going. Fold this up. Of course, you gotta fold this up. See, I never bought MSI. I don't know MSI like that, so it's just strange for me a little bit. I'm more into like a big brand, like, you know, Dell, HP. I bought a lot of Dell laptops, of course. We're ready to go. Let's go. finally. I cannot wait for the new HP. Oh man, let's roll. Let's do this. It's gonna be an awesome day, guys. Cannot wait. After we get this, we have a lot of work because we have to install. We have to do a whole bunch of other work. We gotta do the editing. We gotta do a whole bunch of what do you call it? Installations.